Majlis Ekosistem Keselamatan Kenderaan Komersial Malaysia dengan pelancaran produk peranti had laju SLD or also known as Speed Limit Device kenderaan komersial.
欢迎大家莅临今天的 AetherDrive 马来西亚商用车安全生态体系暨商用车限速器产品发布会。
Pada hari ini, AetherDrive secara rasmi memperkenalkan ekosistem keselamatan kenderaan komersial ke pasaran Malaysia, merangkumi pengurusan penghad kelajuan, pematuhan kenderaan, rangkaian pemasangan bertauliah serta pengurusan armada digital.
今天 AetherDrive 正式面向马来西亚市场推出其商用车安全生态体系，涵盖限速管理、车辆合规、授权安装网络以及未来车队数字化管理等关键领域。
Dan pelancaran ini bukan sahaja menandakan kemunculan rasmi produk pengahad kelajuan AetherDrive ADT SLD, malah mencerminkan perancangan jangka panjangnya dalam industri kenderaan komersial di Malaysia dengan komitmen untuk membangunkan rangkaian perkhidmatan menyeluruh di seluruh negara meliputi keselamatan, pemasangan, perkhidmatan selepas jualan, pensijilan serta pengurusan armada.
此次发布不仅是 AetherDrive ADT 限速器 LSD 的正式亮相，更标志着其在马来西亚商用车行业的长期布局，致力于构建覆盖全国的安全、安装、售后、认证及车队管理服务网络。
Baik, seterusnya izinkan kami berdua memperkenalkan div-div kehormat yang hadir pada hari ini. Pertama sekali, Datuk Zak Cikman, Profesor Datuk Insinyur Muhammad Yusof Izzahar daripada Malaysian Business Empowerment Council, Corporate Advisor, Datuk Siti Hawa Ahmad, Director General of Labuan Gateways Private Limited, Profesor Hardip Singh Sandhu, Senior Professor of Universidad Azteca PLT. Dan juga yang berbahagia, Datuk Abdul Aziz bin Kaprawi, mantan Timbalan Menteri Pengangkutan Malaysia.
接下来我也一一的介绍一下我们的现场的贵宾，有我们的 CEO AetherDrive Dr. Maslango bin Amago，AetherDrive 的贵宾们：楚斌、Alan Chua、Jackie 蔡吉业、Alice Chen、涛勇、VP Lam Chi Liu、Dato KC Go、任晓明、金总、王超、杨格、Miss 金调、Jimmy Ben、Dato Sri Danny Lim。
Baik, seterusnya dipersilakan untuk kita sama-sama menonton video korporat AetherDrive. Dipersilakan.
Across Malaysia, commercial vehicles keep the nation moving. Logistics, transportation, daily life. Long distances, heavy loads, extreme weather, every journey carries pressure. Overspeeding, breakdowns, downtime, failure can cost days of operation, and sometimes much more. There is a better way. AetherDrive ADT speed limiter device. Engineered for real-world reliability. Built for harsh environments. Designed for long-term performance. Backed by proven commercial vehicle technology from China, supported by years of real-world fleet experience. Service closer to every fleet and driver. More than a device, a complete ecosystem for commercial vehicle management. AetherDrive building the future of commercial vehicle safety.
Demi masa depan tepukan gemuruh untuk inisiatif ini.
大家再一次的热烈的掌声，也谢谢大家今天莅临到现场。
Baiklah, dengan segala hormatnya dijemput Datuk Zakbar Cik Mat, penasihat utama AetherDrive untuk menyampaikan ucapan beliau. Dipersilakan.
接下来有请 AetherDrive 首席顾问 Datuk Zakbar Cik Mat 上台致辞，掌声有请。
Distinguished guests, industry partners, and members of the media. Before I start, I just would like to give a few dua, so that our program will be blessed by the God, by Allah Ta'ala. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Laqad ja'akum rasulun min anfusikum azizun 'alayhi ma harisun 'alaykum bil mu'minina ra'ufun rahim fa in tawallaw faqul hasbiyallahu la ilaha illa huwa tawakkaltu wa huwal basir. Thank you very much. Good afternoon and salam Malaysia, Madani. It is truly a pleasure to be here with all of you today, especially to our Foreign Minister, Dato' Aziz Sapawi, and he's a very old friend. Yeah? So thank you very much for your attendance for your coming here. And there is Dr. Mazlan Go, okay, and Chung Peng, Alan Chua, Jackie Chai, Alex Chen, Dato Muhammad Yusof, and Dato Siti Hawa. Same things that, as I said, welcome you and thank you very much for your attendance. Okay. As I said to you throughout my research, I have been deeply involved with the humanitarian, public safety, and governance. From this experience, one thing has become increasingly clear to me. Safety is not merely a matter of management. It is fundamentally about the system's ability to function effectively and consistently. This is especially evident in the transportation sector. Over these years, we have strengthened enforcement and monitoring mechanism, yet really one unavoidable truth remains. Risks tend to emerge in a moment when the continuous oversight is not possible. So, what does this mean? If we rely solely on the human enforcement, outcomes will inevitably be inconsistent. But when systems are designed to operate continuously and reliably, safety can be sustained over long terms. For a business prospect, this is not just about safety, it is also about operational stability. For logistic and fleet management companies, a single accident is more than a regulatory issue. It can lead to vehicle downtime, increased insurance costs, delay deliveries, and ultimate of loss of customer trust. All of these directly impact efficiency and profitability. Therefore, the real challenge is not simply about reducing risks, but about ensuring the operations as a whole become more stable, more controlled, and more sustainable. This is why we are witnessing a significant shift of industrial today. For reliance on human intervention to reliance on system. When systems operate consistently, safety is no longer seems as an added cost, but instead it became a strategic advantage, enhancing efficiency, optimizing costs, and managing risks more effectively. That is precisely why I choose to join AetherDrive, Dynamic Scenario Berhad. What attracted me was not just a simple product, but the company direction. Leveraging technology has the fundamental foundations for building sustainable safety and operational system. In concept of the commercial vehicle safety system has introduced by AetherDrive, is, in my view, more than just a technological solution. It presents a new way of thinking, one that possible the position safety as a core business capability. When organization develops such system capability, several clear transformation begins to take place. First, accident rates decline, leading in to improve cost structure. Second, daily operation became more stable, driving continuous efficiency again. Third, risk became more transparent, enable management to make more confident and informed decision. And finally, with structure and reliable system in place, company are better positioned to scale and expand. This is also a signal, a shift to how competitions will evolve in the future. It will no longer be about who is bigger or cheaper, but about who is more stable, more control, and more capable of sustaining long-term growth. From a broader perspective, I believe the future of the transportation will increasingly be driven by systems and data. This is not only aligned with the regulatory direction, but also a natural pathway for industrial advancement. In this environment, companies face a clear choice: build capability early or be forced to adapt when change became inevitable. To me, initiatives like those undertaken by the AetherDrive are not just about the growth of the single company. They contribute to elevating the entire industrial toward the higher standards and greater efficiency. Of course, improving transportation safety requires collaboration across multiple stakeholders, clear policies, industrial cooperation, technological support, and effective implementation at the company's level. However, there is one critical element that every organization can control: ensuring that the operational systems are stable and predictable. Allow me to conclude with the thoughts. Truly exceptional companies are not those that rely solely on the experience, but those that achieve long-term stability through a strong system. And at the core of this capability lies a robust safety system. So that was the situation, and I think thank you very much, and wabillahi taufiq wa hidayah wa wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Dato' Zakbar Sheikh Mat. Terima kasih Dato' atas ucapan yang penuh bermakna.
谢谢大多的精彩致辞。
Baiklah, seterusnya majlis akan diteruskan dengan sesi menandatangani kerjasama strategik. Dipersilakan wakil-wakil berikut ke pentas.
接下来呢，我们将进行战略合作签约仪式，有请双方代表上台。
Pertama sekali, wakil Commonwealth Systems Family Encik Jackie Chai Ji Yi.
Commonwealth System Family 共轨之家代表蔡吉业先生。
Seterusnya, wakil AetherDrive Pengarah Urusan Dr. Mazlan Goh bin Ahmad Goh.
Commonwealth System Family 代表首席执行官 Dr. Mazlan Goh bin Ahmad Goh。 好，现在呢，我们准备正式的签约。好，接着让我们交换。好，大家给予最热烈的掌声。
Baiklah, marilah kita sama-sama memberikan sekali lagi tepukan yang gemuruh mengucapkan tahniah kepada kedua-dua pihak atas kejayaan jalinan kerjasama ini serta berharap agar kerjasama ini akan terus diperkukuh pada masa hadapan demi memacu pembangunan industri dan mencapai kejayaan yang saling menguntungkan.
好，接下来有请两位移步到前面，让我们来一张大合照。接下来呢， 大家再次给他们热烈的掌声，祝贺双方合作圆满成功，并期待未来携手共进，深化合作，共同推动行业发展，开创互利共赢的新局面。掌声，谢谢。好，有请两位就座。
Terima kasih diucapkan. Seterusnya, kami ingin menjemput pengerusi Lembaga Pengarah Shanghai Xingrong Automotive Technology, Encik Jackie Chai Ji Yi, untuk memberi penerangan produk.
那接下来呢，我们要有请我们的上海兴荣汽车董事长蔡继业先生上台来为我们讲解项目。大家掌声热烈一点，掌声有请。
Thank you, thank you. Good afternoon, leaders, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. My name is Jackie. Yeah. Before I start, I would express my deepest gratitude to all of you. Thanks a lot to being here in our SLD lunch, and many thanks to Mr. Masnan, Mr. Chu, Alan, and all our AetherDrive colleagues. You give me this opportunity that I can work with you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. My name is Jackie Tsai. You can call me Jackie. My company is in Shanghai, China. Yeah. The name called Shanghai Xingrong Automotive Technology. Yes. We focus on commercial vehicle in Chinese market in the past. Yes. And I would ask you some questions before start. Do you know how many trucks in China right now? Yeah. At the moment in China there is more than 35 million trucks. Yes. And in the past 15 years, every year at least 3 million increased to the market. So you can understand, yeah, so many trucks suddenly into the market. How many problems will happen? How many problems should be solved? So our mission, our company mission is to build mature infrastructure for these logistic trucks smooth running. Yeah. And yeah. See, this is my company profile. Yeah, our company located in Shanghai, and in the past 30 years, we create a lot of innovations, patents, more than 160, and of course we have a lot of customers, more than 830,000 customers in Chinese market, and we served many times our customers. Of course, we got a lot of ownership in the world. We are the national high-tech enterprise, and also we are the national little giant enterprise. And this is a title given to China's most specialized and innovative enterprises. Of course, we are also proud recipients of the Award of Outstanding Contribution to Aftermarket Service Innovation by CCVA. This is official Chinese association. Yes. As I said, our target is to build a mature infrastructure for commercial vehicle in Chinese market. How we did in past, I will show you. Yeah. Actually, we defined three pillars. Defined infrastructure, three pillars. When the truck gets some problems, we should try to repair. Therefore, we need to build infrastructure for truck maintenance and repair. Because a lot of new truck with a very high, very new technology. So all the technicians in the market cannot solve. They don't have knowledge. They don't have skill. So we need to build a digital and intelligent infrastructure for them. So this is our first pillar. The second pillar is when the truck running on the way, running on the road, we should try to keep the truck with health and safety condition. So the second pillar is to build a digital and intelligent infrastructure for commercial vehicle health and safety. Yeah. Of course, not only the running, but also do not pollute the air. So our third pillar is to build a digital and intelligent infrastructure for mobile emission monitoring without polluting the air. So this we empower the environmental and traffic bureau to control the whole process. Yes. So next I will go a little bit details for each pillar. The first pillar is for maintenance and the repair. At the moment, we are already the number one in Chinese market. We have big teams in China, and we also occupy biggest market sharing from the three aspects. The first one is technical service platform. This is for technician skill building. From this technical service platform, our Chinese technicians can learn from this platform, can search the documentation from this platform, and they can also get one-by-one remote support. This is provided by our skilled engineers behind. Yes. And if after the technician got the skills, got the knowledge, but they also need high efficient testing tools, devices. So second aspect, we develop and produce intelligent, smart devices for them. They just need to connect with the truck. This device, this test will get all running track data to our cloud. Then in cloud, we make a lot of calculation. And our calculation, we define the solution and feedback to our operators. So now we also the number one diagnostic equipment provider in Chinese market. We occupy more than 45% market in China. Yeah. And yes, the third one is what is for fleet management. Yeah. In order to improve the efficiency of fleets, in order to improve the reduce the cost of the fleet, we provide a systematic maintenance and repair service to our big fleets. So by in order to realize this, we have huge systems. These systems including the worldwide, not world, nationwide service network, and we have perfect software management systems, and yes, provide the repair and maintenance service to all big fleets in China. Now we are the number one platform. Yeah. The good news for us is now this team also already started business in Malaysia. It's 2 years ago. Now my colleague Mr. Wan Hong out there. Yes. Thank you. And as I said, our infrastructure is digital and intelligent. In order to realize this, we have to firstly have data, digital data. So the first task for us is to transfer all business into data, and then by our IoT device, we take this all data to cloud, to our database. Then with this database, we can setting the calculation. We can analyze this all data. Therefore, get feedback to our technicians, to our management, give to all the network and so on. Yes. So this is so-called intelligence. So before intelligence, we must have data. So you see here, all this business already transferred to data in here, in our cloud. So in our cloud now there is huge data, and of course we also have a lot of the calculation ways. This is our patents. Where from? Yes, we have more than 160 patents, including 13 international patents, all from this. Yeah, this is our key. Our key competence. Yeah. So first one is service platform. You see, this is intelligent tools for technician learning and work. At the moment, in China, more than 80% CV service stations are using our service. Yeah, and user quantity more than 830,000. It's a huge population. Yeah, and from our platform, they can learn, they can research, they can also get interactive one-by-one service. Yeah. So we are definitely number one in China already. Then I would say testing and repair equipment. You see, this is our AI agent-based intelligent cloud diagnosis architecture. Very interesting. All our devices always catch the business and transfer to data. Then all data go to cloud. I don't. Okay, super, yeah. This is our cloud. The cloud, we have an agent to calculate and analyze all data, then feedback to our technician. You see, data, everything data to cloud, and calculate robot calculate, and feedback to our users. So this is our key competence. Here is showing our product metrics, only a small part. Also, we take some tours to our room. Yeah. Or to say, this is the full range of cloud diagnostic devices covering all CV repair scenarios, or AI-powered intelligence. For example, we have a tool so-called 神算子. This tool you only need connect with truck OBD connection. Then you don't need to do anything. This device will automatically work, and after 1 minute, it will tell you which part you should fix. Then technician just go to that part and change one or repair this. Very simple. So this is not based on experience. This is AI-powered intelligence. In past 30 years, we really support our Chinese market from traditional experience-based working way to data-driven AI-powered intelligence. We already realize this. Yeah. This is for TCO, total life management systems for fleets. Yeah. And by using these systems, we're building based on recall mileage. We customize maintenance and repair maintenance service. That means this system, this network can support the fleet, save money, quantifiable and transparent, efficient, and increase the vehicle residual values. We already started this business in Malaysia, and this is 2 years ago. Yeah. We will continue to contribute with our contribution in Malaysia. Yeah, this is first pillar for repair and maintenance. The second pillar is forward. As I said, when the truck running on the road, we must keep the truck with health and safety. So, first with health. How can we keep the truck with health? We designed a special hardware. This hardware was always connected with truck, and continuously read the data from this truck, and real time to transfer this data in cloud. Then we can in real time calculate the truck health score. If this score is below than 70, our system will automatically feed back to our driver, our management behind to fix it in advance. Therefore, we can reduce breakdown happen. If we do not do this, maybe 100 kilometers later, this truck will get a breakdown. Have to stop. The driver have to spend more money to fix it. Also, this will waste time. Maybe he have to give a lot of money to the customers because this is your wrong. Yeah. A lot of works we did before because in peak we have more than 700 staffs are working for this. So a lot of work already done in China, and this is successfully proven. Safety. Safety. Health, safety. A lot of things happen like this in Chinese market. Truck fire. So in order to reduce such kind of failure, we develop special systems for them. Install many sensors, actuators in the truck. Then before the fire, we will automatically resolve the problems. This only kind of the example. Of course, the SLD speed limiting device is also kind of safety control way. In the future, maybe not only overspeed but also overload. For the overload, we also have our solutions. We add some weight sensor on the truck. Then get real-time, in-time learning alert to our driver, to our owner, to our management behind. This is also kind of safety management systems. So-called locking system. We install such kind of device on the truck. Then we can on the cloud, we can control this truck. Do not overspeed, do not overload. If the driver don't stop, we directly let him stop by remote control. This is a mature solutions in China. For if some emergency happened in the road, we also have some solutions. That means the driver can solve problems by himself. By a mobile phone, connect this device, he can solve a lot of problems by himself. Not necessary to go to service station or waiting technician from 100 kilometers away. Solve it by himself. This, I would say, this is safety. As I said, SLD is kind of safety control method. I will not go in detail for SLD because later Alex will introduce in very detail. Also in the future for overload, we also have mature solutions. This is mature product systems in China. As I said before, we have 3 pillars. This pillar is for mobile emission monitoring. This is empowering roadside and station-based inspection for commercial vehicle emission control. That means we support environmental and traffic bureau to control and not pollute air. You see, we're providing environment monitoring systems for commercial vehicles to environmental protection and traffic management authorities. This is a supporting way, management supporting way for governments, for authorities. If we take if our management environmental bureau take this device with the truck, then in 5 minutes, he will know whether this truck with emission polluted air. Very quick, on 5 minutes, we'll get this. This is for inspection systems. Also in daily inspection, if the truck go to the inspection stations, we add these systems. We empower these systems to inspection station. You will quickly know whether this truck have problem or not. So not only just have a look. We really go into the truck behind, and by analyze the control program, we know it in very detail. This is our 3 pillars, from the repair and the maintenance to safety and healthy, then to emission, pollutant control, monitoring, and so on. This is all digital and intelligent infrastructure in China. We really did in the past 30 years all this work. So we get a lot of customers. These customers including a lot. Service station, engine plant, vehicle plant, a lot. So, I think at the moment, Malaysia's logistics and the transport sector is growing also rapidly. Yeah. But with growth means comes challenge, meantime, yeah, including unplanned breakdowns, safety risks, rising fleet operating costs, and emission compliance and so on. These are exactly the problems what we have solved in China. Yeah. I think through our partnership with AetherDrive, we can bring this proven infrastructure to Malaysia. Of course, after adapted, localized, and supported by deep local expertise from all of you. Yeah, you are sitting just in the room. Yeah. And we're not just selling products, we're offering to co-build Malaysia's digital commercial vehicle infrastructure, from repair to healthy to safety to emission control and so on. Yes, and we believe every truck on Malaysian roads can be healthy. Every driver can feel safer. Every fleet can achieve lower cost. Every environmental target can be met with transparency. Every part of ecosystem can be smarter and smarter. And we are ready to invest, to train, to support, and to grow with you. And let's together build a healthier, safer, smarter, and more efficient commercial vehicle ecosystem in Malaysia. I look forward to our journey ahead. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Jackie.
Thank you.
Before we call upon Mr. Alex on stage, let's get the media to just have a short photography session with Jackie and also Mr. Alex. Just the both of them.
好，现在呢，我们会有请我们的摄影师大哥来到这边，跟大家来一张大合照。对 ，We will have to take a group photo together. So everyone, just be chill a bit. So thumbs up.
Okay. So on, yeah?
Yes. Okay. Kita smile sikit ya. Okay, 3.
One more session. All of them to stand up so that it will be, the behind partners can,
Can, right? Closer to the center.
get them closer. All right. Okay.
We want all together.
All right.
But then, I think we. Okay. So everyone, thumbs up again. When I say 3, 2, 1. Everyone, yay. Okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Yay!
Yay!
And one more stand up.
One more step up.
One more stand up. At the back.
At the back, VVIP no need. VVIP no need. Okay, yang belakang, semua orang stand up. At the back. The first one and the second, okay, kan. The third, fourth, the fifth, all can stand up. 第二排的不用站起来，第一排、第二排不用。对，好，我们稍微那边要站，那边要站起来。对。你们介意这边稍微过来吗？那个位置比较空。对，麻烦一下，大家稍微后面站的朋友稍微的站靠近一点点。
Yeah, because we want everyone to be in the photo.
Yes,
actually.
because more focus and the picture will more wow sticking up. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay, that's nice. Thank you very much. Sorry.
Okay. Everyone, thumbs up for 2 right now.
All right.
This is our second picture. Yes.
3,
3, 2, 1. Yeah! Thank you very much,
Thank
and
you.
please be seated.
Thank you for your cooperation. Next, Jimmy. Baik, kita akan beralih ke pembentangan produk pengehat kelajuan SLD dan perniagaan AetherDrive secara lebih terperinci. Oleh itu, kita persilakan Encik Alex Chen untuk ke pentas.
好，接下来呢，我们要进入本次发布会的重要环节 ，AetherDrive 限速器 SLD 产品与业务的介绍。大家请把最热烈的掌声有请我们的 Alex Chen 先生上台为我们讲解，掌声有请。
Okay, good afternoon, dear Dr. Three, all friends. I'm Alex Chen from AetherDrive. Thank you for joining us during the SLD product launch. It's my honor to introduce our product here for all of you. Thank you. So, let's start with our product introduction. Our ADT SLD is originally designed speed limit device thanks to our partner Shanghai Xinrong that we have local engineered product that fits the Malaysia market. We have worked together closely and focused on 3 core values. That is the quality, durability, and the ease of installation. So I'm proud to share that AetherDrive is fully authorized by JPJ as shown in the official letter. And this means we are fully certified to supply our SLD product, including also the installation and the official SLD certificate. This is a picture we show. We just prepare for the JPJ in this March. And so let me introduce our product. So what makes the device special for the SLD? I think we have in this page. I will just introduce a little bit about general features. That first, it's versatile. So our SLD fit for all the lorries and buses. Either it's the old mechanic system or it's the modern ECU system, and it's quite accurate because we use the GPS-based speed measurement and also for limitation. And also by default, our speed limit is set to 89 as according to the JPJ requirement, and also it has been reserved for further adjustable functions for further applications. And plus, it is one for all solution. That means with only one controller, we can fit for all applications. Either it's mechanic or it's electric. And either it's a 12 volts vehicle or it's 24 volt vehicle. Both just in this one solution. We can support all. And so, next step, we mentioned about that we are emphasizing on the quality, but quality is not just a promise by wording. So we have passed a lot of certificates. It's from the design of the product, and also including the production, the manufacture, and also to the after sales. We are all strictly supervised with the certificate standard. First, from function level, of course, this is basic, that we have hold the UNR 89 approval. This is a basic function requirement. And from the component, from the manufacturing of the product and the material side, we have got a lot of certificates like IP65, EMC, CE, ROHS, and so on. These are just some characters, but later I will show you some more details about it. And also, from manufacturing and the service side, we have passed the certificate for ISO 9001 and also IATF 16949. This is critical, especially for automotive area. So, next, let me show you some more detailed examples of our product. First one is the IP65, actually. The commercial vehicle operates in harsh environment in Malaysia. It's hot, it's wet. That's why the ADT SOD is built with tough design to meet the IP65 certificate. It's just for water and for dust resistant. No matter there's heavy rain or very thick dust or even high heat, the device is engineered and to perform reliability. So it's really built to last. And this is also basic why we can give our customer 2 years warranty. It's not just wording. It's really we have this kind of product material and also the designing. And next one is also another key features I want to say. It's about the chip we use. No chips all around. You have in your cell phone, in TV, also in our SOD. So there are 4 levels of chips grade in the market. So from below to up. The most general one is the commercial grade. That's for your phone, for TV. They are all just for indoor use equipment. And the second is industry level. Its temperature is from operating temperature is from -40 to 85. These are for industry. Means you can have this in the equipment outdoor, and also for the factories. The third is for automotive. This is from temperature from -40 to 125. These are for the automotive, for the engine, because we need to be very reliable. And on the top is military. It's military grade, and that's for extreme environment, and it asks for extreme the reliability. But for our SOD products, we choose the chips for all this automotive grade. That's why it's reliable. Okay? And this ensures that the device rarely fails, and even under most intense engine room heat and so on. So we have installed a lot of our SOD in the market, over 1,000 just in this coming 1.5 months, and it fits all the major brands in Malaysia, including Hino, Isuzu, Nissan, Fuso, Scania, Sinotruk, and so on. And this covers most of these popular brands in Malaysia. And we have achieved 100% applicability across the market, proving that our devices work very well with almost any commercial vehicles on Malaysia roads today. And we talked a lot about the device. I think you may have interest how it works really on the lorry. So next page, I have a video to show how SOD work in the market on the lorry. But First one, I would like to introduce this is a traditional SOD, how it works to limit the speed. Please start the video. Limit start. Okay, this is a video to show the traditional SOD, how it works. Actually, when the speed over 90, so there will be a limitation. And the traditional way is to cut the power of the engine, so there's no power for the engine, and it lasts for few seconds. Like shown in this video, it lasts for about 10 seconds. During these 10 seconds, there's no power for this vehicle. And it seems that to the driver, it's out of control because there's no power output. And until the speed goes to about 80, then the power will come back again. Please show this video again. At this duration, no power. Speed drop to about 80, and then the power comes again. So this is really very, very uncomfortable to the driver, and it may even bring the truck and the driver to danger. Okay, so next page, I will show our ADT SOD, how it works on the lorry, please. So you can see there's a limitation to stop the lorry from drive over 90, but it's kept at 190. So we don't shut down all the power of the engine, but just make a limitation to make sure that the vehicle can keep the speed at about 90. And this just get feedback from the driver that it feels like really an original factory level of limitation experience. And the driver stays in control with our SOD, and the vehicle keeps stable. So I would like to make some more technical comparison why our device feels better. You see from on the left side, this is the traditional SOD, how they work. That's when the speed is around 90, there will be a limitation at this duration, and typically they just cut the engine power to 0. So at this duration, there's no power output for the engine, and the speed will just drop to about 80 or even below for around 10 seconds. And how our SOD work on the right side. So when the speed goes to 90, we just make a small adjustment and make sure it's below 90, and then the power will back again. So we just make a very fast and smooth limitation. And finally, the driver and the lorry are more safe. this is how our product work and why they can feel much better. So, next one I would like to talk about the installation. We have a lot of friends from workshop. It's a headache for SLD product because it's not the original one, it's a retrofit. So traditionally, when we install the SLD, especially for phase 3 for the old lorries before 2015, we have to ask the lorry goes to the workshop, and with some special technicians, they can do the installation. Because you have to do the welding. These are not original ones, so you have to do a lot of electric welding and to install it. So these are not capable for everybody. So just a specific team, and in the workshop they can do it because we need equipment, we need power. And how we do this for ADT SOD? We have designed some quick lock buckle and easy fix brackets. So instead of welding, we can just fix it with this device. And also here you see, this make it very easy and make the SLD work more stable. And basically, with our accessory, anyone can install the SLD in the workshop. And also, it's possible that the technicians can go to customer side for the installation. You know, the diesel price recently is really increased a lot, so this could help a lot for the fleet to reduce the cost for the diesel. And the customer really like this way. And it's no danger because no welding. Okay? All this together, we make it more flexible for our partners, the workshop, for the installation, and also for the service to the fleet. In addition to not only providing our customer with high quality and efficient product, we also support our partners with the digital ecosystem. We have websites here, and it helps our drivers to find our workshop. We have workshops all around Malaysia, and the customer, if they want to install the SOD, they can just go to our workshop to find the installer, and then they can find the installer nearby. And also it helps to just guide the driver to the workshop. This makes our fleet owners, also the drivers, to easier find our installer. And also by the meantime, it helps our installation workshops to get more business. So this is really a win-win solution. Finally, I would like to have a look at our SLD certificate. I have to say that all the work we do finally is to have the SLD installed on the lorry and issue this SLD certificate to customer for pushbacam, for police, and for everything. So that's the most focused result for the fleet owner. We have an ecosystem. We have the management system to generate this SLD certificate quickly. Usually, in 1 or 2 working days after installation, we will have the SLD certificate. And this certificate will also be uploaded to JBJ system. So for further check, so this means we are fully compliant with JBJ regulations. Okay, last but not the least, let's take a look at our SLD. So if for us, as we just mentioned, we are bringing the high quality, the safety and the efficient products. So choose ADT SOD, you are choosing the quality, the efficient and the safe products for the market, and will be no concern for the next 2 years at least. Thank you for your time, and look forward to cooperate with all of you. Thank you. After this, we have a short video because I mentioned a lot about our product, but next we have a short video to show more about SOD and to know better of our product. So please. Thank you.
In real-world transport conditions, stability is everything. But not all speed limiters are designed for safety. Sudden speed drops don't just affect the vehicle. They create dangerous inertia. With smooth control, there is no sudden force, so the load stays exactly where it should be. Complex installation increases risk and downtime. Not all wiring meets automotive standards. Electrical safety is not where you take risks. Built for real environments, not ideal conditions. AetherDrive ADT is engineered for stability, safety, and real-world performance.
Baik, semoga penerangan video tersebut memberi manfaat yang jelas dan juga membuka pemahaman yang lebih mendalam. Dan seterusnya, dengan segala hormatnya, dijemput yang berbahagia Dato' Abdul Aziz bin Kaprawi, mantan Timbalan Menteri Pengangkutan Malaysia, untuk menyampaikan ucapan rasmi beliau. Dipersilakan.
接下来有请我们的前部长上台为我们致辞，掌声有请。
Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yang berbahagia Datuk Sabah, yang berbahagia Dr. Mazlan, Mr. Jackie, Mr. Alex, Mr. Alan, Mr. Chuping, Datuk-datuk, tuan-tuan, puan-puan yang saya hormati sekalian. Pertama-tama saya mengucap banyak terima kasih atas jemputan pada petang ini dengan pelancaran AetherDrive yang satu sistem speed limit device yang sangat membanggakan kepada industri logistik, industri pengangkutan Malaysia, kerana speed limit device ini merupakan satu device yang dapat membangunkan industri pengangkutan di Malaysia dengan lebih sustainable untuk memajukan industri pengangkutan Malaysia. Dengan adanya sistem ini, saya yakin industri pengangkutan akan lebih maju ke hadapan, dan saya yakin kemalangan-kemalangan maut akan dapat diatasi dengan lebih bersistematik. Dan saya menyarankan agar semua industri pengangkutan khususnya syarikat-syarikat logistik dapat menggunakan pakai sistem ini, kerana secara tidak langsung dianya dapat mengurus pemandu-pemandu luri dengan kawalan yang lebih efisien. Kerana kita dapati banyak pemandu-pemandu luri yang melanggar peraturan-peraturan dan sekaligus ianya akan memberi kerugian kepada syarikat-syarikat logistik. Jadi saya yakin dengan menggunakan pakai speed limit device ini, industri pengangkutan dapat mengurus syarikat mereka, dapat mengurus pemandu-pemandu mereka dengan lebih efisien dan lebih maju ke hadapan. Jadi saya mengharap juga di pihak kerajaan supaya dapat menginstitusikan ataupun membuat satu peraturan baru di mana setiap luri-luri yang mengangkut luri-luri pengangkutan ini dapat diwajibkan memasang speed limit device ini untuk memastikan keselamatan jalan raya dan untuk mengelakkan kemalangan-kemalangan yang tidak diingini berlaku. Kerana banyak kemalangan-kemalangan yang begitu mengerikan menjadi isu satu negara dapat kita elakkan. Jadi sekali lagi saya ucap banyak terima kasih kepada pihak syarikat yang telah dapat memperkenalkan teknologi-teknologi baru ini untuk diguna pakai. Dunia hari ini adalah dunia teknologi. Jadi jangan sampai kita tidak menggunakan pakai teknologi yang terkini untuk kebaikan industri pengangkutan di Malaysia ini. Jadi saya mengucapkan syabas dan tahniah kepada pihak AetherDrive supaya yang dapat memperkenalkan device ini untuk diguna pakai oleh syarikat-syarikat di Malaysia ini. Saya mengucapkan terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Terima kasih diucapkan kepada Yang Berbahagia Dato' Abdul Aziz bin Kaprawi. Terima kasih. Dan seterusnya, marilah kita sama-sama menyaksikan sebuah video yang bakal memaparkan maklum balas sebenar daripada pasaran. Kita tonton bersama-sama.
今年呢 AetherDrive 产品发布后呢，接下来让我们来看一段使用市场上之后呢，来看看真实反馈的影片，请看。
大家好，我是林桂荣，我们是这个日野 Hino 的代理车队的，我是负责这里苏邦在宇的里约界。我们的公司名叫中森特尔帕省德伦巴汉，我们有4间分行，就是在尼莱、舍莲班、布拉宫，还有这里里约界。这些新的这个马来西亚政府规定，我们每一个卡车都要安装那个 SLD， 简称 Speed Limit Device， 我们简称为 SLD。目前我们也安装了好几百辆卡车这类的东西，也试过2家其他的公司了，花费的时间对我们来说是太长了。有的时候我们只能够1天只能够安装2台。不过我们在试了这个新的产品，就是 AetherDrive 这个牌子，可以帮我们减少在 operation 的那个时间，安装的时间大概1个小时左右。 所以它的这个牌子，这个品牌对我们来讲，第一可以节省时间啊，让客户不需要浪费那么多时间，他的车在我们这里安装的时候。第二，它这个用处，它的好处就是类似跟我们原装车厂它直接电脑拨给的那个类似，差不多是一样的。它采油，它不会说到90，到时候它自己再踩不到，再不能再上了。其他的牌子它做法的是不同，它会把到90了之后，它的会跌到60-70，这样对司机来说是非常不安全的一个驾驶方式了。所以说这个AED 这个牌子可以帮助我们省了一些的时间，还有也可以帮助到顾客省了顾客的时间。
Selamat pagi semua, saya Muhammad Faizal, jadi Sonseng Tino USD. Berkenaan dengan SLT yang terbaru daripada AetherDrive. Okay, beza antara kesemua yang saya test, yang lain lah, dia punya SLT yang smooth yang saya pernah rasa. That means dia punya SLT ni banyak bagus lah dan terbaik. Dan penyibatan minyak dia lebih 5% untuk dia, sebab dia punya dropping pun tak drop sangat. Dia punya tekan, power semua ada, kira smooth lah. Perjalanan pun tak ada tarik yang lampau drop sangat. Yang terbaik SLT yang
Hi, my name is Steven. I'm from BO Dealers of USJ Suseng. Actually, this is the truck that we need to install SLT, and I'm the one to install the SLT installation for retrofit SLT. So basically, for AetherDrive, it's more easier for us to install, and it's simpler regarding the SLTs compared to other devices. So it comes together with a device control, which we can help to do the setting. So based on our knowledge from the other devices from other competitors, there is a certain technical issues when we install the SLTs. So basically, this device, there is no installation errors, and there's smooth operation for all the trucks for the pedal controls. For this installation of device, it takes around 1 to 1.5 hours. It's more simpler and more faster than other devices. Each competitor have is around 3 hours. For these devices, we are recommended for all the users as well as other suppliers to have a look of these devices. It's very recommended for all the trucks. Very good.
AED 就是我们的神。
Baik Jimmy, tibalah masa yang kita nanti-nantikan. Majlis diteruskan dengan sesi menandatangani perjanjian dan dipersilakan CEO of AetherDrive, Dr. Mazlan bin Ahmad Goh bersama-sama wakil rakan kerjasama ke pentas.
接下来呢，我们将进行签约仪式，有请我们 AetherDrive 董事长 Dr. Mazlan bin Ahmad Goh 以及各合作伙伴一一代表上台。首先呢，我们要邀请的是 Shining Way Technology 代表来进行签约仪式，掌声有请。接下来让我们来一张合影。 谢谢 Shining Way 的代表，请就坐。接下来，让我们有请 Sun Central and Plus Sendang Berhad 来自尼赖的代表上台来进行签约仪式。好，接下来有请芙蓉的代表。好 ，Sun Central and Plus Sendang Berhad Balakong。好，那接下来呢，让我们有请 MK Ultra Machinery Sendang Berhad 进行签约仪式，有请派代表。
Seterusnya kita persilakan SLG Workshop Malaysia Sendang Berhad.
Hảo, 好，大家给予掌声。谢谢你认可我们 AetherDrive 的这个产品，也进行签约，希望合作愉快。接下来，让我们一起来一张大合照。
Seterusnya, MTD Enterprise ke pentas.
好，有请我们 MTD Enterprise 代表来到我们舞台上进行签约仪式。接下来，让我们来一张合影。大家再次的把掌声送给两位。
Terima kasih MTD Enterprise dan seterusnya kita would like to call upon 2H Car Service Centre Sendang Berhad.
接下来有请 2H Car Service Centre Sendang Berhad 来到我们的舞台上进行签约仪式。好，接下来也有请 AetherDrive Enterprise 来到我们的舞台旁稍作准备，还有 Hobby Car Malaysia Sendang Berhad。
Terima kasih diucapkan kepada 2H Car Service Centre Sendang Berhad. Seterusnya,
AetherDrive Enterprise 有请来到我们的舞台上进行签约仪式。有请刚刚已经进行签约仪式的代表人稍作的在舞台旁 等待一下，因为待会呢，我们还要进行颁发我们的授权证书给每一位代表者。接下来，让我们来一张合影。
Baik, terima kasih Hey22 Enterprise. Sekarang dijemput Hobi Car Malaysia Sdn Bhd.
好，请问 Hobi Car Malaysia Sdn Bhd。好，Dr. Masram remain on the stage. Right now we are going.
Okey, congratulations, tahniah diucapkan kepada semua pihak atas kejayaan kerjasama ini. Semoga kerjasama ini menjadi satu pencapaian penting serta membuka lebih banyak peluang pembangunan dan masa depan yang saling menguntungkan.
恭喜各方合作圆满成功，愿本次的合作成为重要的里程碑，携手共创更广阔的发展机遇与长期共赢的未来。
Baik, seterusnya majlis penyampaian watikah pelantikan dan penghargaan.
好，那接下来呢，有请工作人员帮我们把那个桌子跟椅子稍微的挪一挪。那接下来呢，我们要进行的是颁发合作授权的证书。首先呢，让我们有请 Shining Way Technology 来到我们的舞台上，来领取我们的合作授权证书。MKL Machinery Sdn Bhd。请留在台部，请留在我们的舞台，请留步。接下来有请我们的 SLG Workshop Malaysia Sdn Bhd， 还有请 MDD Enterprise 2H Car Service Center Sdn Bhd， 还有 AetherDrive Enterprise。好，也再次恭喜我们获得这个颁发合作授权证书的 SLG Workshop Malaysia Sdn Bhd、 MDT Enterprise、 2H Car Service Center Sdn Bhd。在旁留步。好，有请 2H Car， 也恭喜你获得我们的 Service， 获得我们的合作授权证书。接下来有请我们的 AetherDrive Enterprise 来到我们的舞台上，来领取我们的合作授权证书。好，请留步。那接下来呢，我们一起来一张大合照，有请我们的合作伙伴来到舞台上。好，来大家比一个赞好不好？对
，Ready？
谢谢各位，那谢谢各方合作圆满成功。希望这一次的合作呢，我们会有更重要的里程碑，让我们一起携手共创更广阔的发展机遇与长期共赢的未来。
Baiklah para hadirin sekalian, majlis rasmi kita pada hari ini telah sampai ke penghujungnya. Dipersilakan semua tetamu ke ruang jamuan untuk sesi rangkaian dan perbincangan.